Alright, just received an order from Dancecom and got a couple new parts. There's an updated bike check. And I'll start off up here. I got the old dirty Shadow Conspiracy grips that are clear. They have pretty good grips so far. I haven't tried them yet. And then Shadow Conspiracy grips that came with it too. Might not focus. No. Yeah. They're clear, and yeah, those are probably the best bar ends that ever came with a pair of grips. And I got the Tektro brake lever. It came with the bike, and I've always had Tektro, so they work pretty good. I got an Odyssey, a silver Odyssey V3 elementary stem, and with the stolen top washer type thing, whatever you want to call it. And that's front. I got fly bike bars, Tierra fly bike bars. I got Cyclone forks and Shadow Conspiracy red wall tires with the stock stolen rim. That I also have Mission valve caps, metal valve caps. They're a lot better than plastic ones. I have a stock stolen center frame, a metal pivotal seat that's cushioned. I've had that for a couple months, and I got these new Twisted PC Odyssey pedals. I think they're a really good grip, and with the red ends. I also got Tektro brakes back there, Shadow Conspiracy tire on the back, and stock rim with the stolen Easy Street free coaster, and stock stolen front hub too. Also, I have stock cranks, but I have an Eastern Medusa 25 tooth chain wheel with a 10 tooth driver, and that stock chain. But the pieces I haven't put on yet are this yellow KMC crazy chain and this red animal brake cable.